So this is what? Sesame ice cream?
Sesame ice cream.
And you know it because you were in Japan?
Yes, I'm in Japan.
And how is it as...
It's like chocolate.
Oh, is that right? And how do you compare this as to the one you had in Japan?
The other one, the one in Japan tasted more like chocolate, but probably because they added more sugar.
Right, and this
soft
one?
Ice cream. There with soft ice cream, here it's like hard ice cream.
Oh, right.
And it's still very tasty.
So what have you liked so far in here, among the things you tried?
Well, everything was good.
Yes?
Good quality, it's fresh.
Right.
And flavorful.
And certainly it was not what? What? You said it was too expensive, but not necessarily. Yeah, not really. Just correct.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.